In my video, I'll give you guidelines to help you remove the unwanted browser extension, which is called National Parks tab. National Parks tab. The developers of this extension indicate that it can show you breathtaking national park pictures in every new tab. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people who need that. But the trouble with this extension is that it is often spread through integration with some free programs, and in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So this extension can be considered as potentially unwanted software. Furthermore, it also operates as browser hijacker by changing a lot of crucial browser settings. If this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, you should undertake the measures and remove it immediately from your Google Chrome browser. In order to remove any unwanted extensions like that, we recommend you to access the menu, More Tools, then Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I do recommend investigating your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin investigating your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.